Hello, this is Cam on United Credit. We have over 400 trade lines posting on a regular basis. They're CPN friendly as well as personal profiles. A few tips about trade lines. We're also free consulting, so if you have questions, we can go over review your profile. But a few tips about trade lines. You want to get an older trade line. The older trade lines outpace or are stronger than a higher limit trade line. The years is what really matters. When you get a trade line, you're increasing the average age, which is about 30% of the credit score. So you want to get an older trade line, 4, 5, 6 years. Sometimes 10 and 15-year lines even better, especially if you're older. You want to get something that posts in all three bureaus, like a Discover, credit unions, Capital One. Just make sure they post on all three. Make sure they're still at least 60 days. Our standard for us is 60 days. Some do 30, we do 60 days. Just to make sure you accomplish what you want to accomplish in using the trade line. Make sure when you get a vendor, you use free consultation. If you get some feedback on what a trade line may or may not be able to do in adding to a profile. Sometimes you can add a trade line and it won't do anything. It won't boost the score at all. For example, if you have a lot of accounts, you have 10, 12 accounts, then you're less likely to get a boost because they divide the average account amount by the number of accounts. The more accounts you have, the less the average age and the less the boost that you will realize from adding the trade lines. You want to ask that question, get some feedback from the vendor about trade lines. Also, you want to make sure you have no derogatory items that can also limit the boost. And utilization is very important. If utilization is high, the trade line won't give you the boost you really want. Always make sure you get that utilization down to about 5 to 10%. Some say 30, but I like 10% better. If you have any further questions, call us. Again, we do free consultation. We can go over your profile for free. We have lines from 6 months old to 30 years old to get the boost you really need. We have high limit Amex cards. Again, all of our lines are CPN friendly as well. Call us at 202-213-2218 to get on our trade line list. We do it weekly. Tradelines.biz. Thank you.